Alrighty, y'all. I am back with another video. I'm a little annoyed today. A little annoyed, so bear with me. But I just wanted to go over the trade from last night that I put in overnight. This was supposed to be a swing trade with consideration for the 4-hour chart, 4-hour time frame. Looks like I got in right here around 10 o'clock last night on the 15-minute. I believe that I got in about right here, and then I set a limit order about right here for like 4 contracts. I put right here, hoping that price would kind of continue to pull back a little bit deeper into this order block here. But that did not happen, so I did not get filled with 4 contracts. I only ended up having the 1 contract, and then as you can see, I did have my target set here at the previous daily low, which at the time was the Asian low. So due to that, I only made $13. So I was pretty irritated by that, because you can see the market ended up dropping. So totally on me, because I should have just probably left it open and then should have trailed it. So kind of switching between platforms is kind of like seriously annoying, because it's like, if this was Forex, it would have been trailed. If it were, a certain prop firm, I wouldn't even be having to get in manually. So I'm very, very irritated. And then on the flip side, let's see if I can get the bot up. Basically, the bot is now in drawdown, and that's kind of irritating as well. So I should have taken profit at around 10 pips on the bot, so I'll have to adjust the strategy a bit slightly. For whatever reason, the dollar index is pushing. I thought it was only going to go to a certain retracement, but that is not happening. So yeah, I'm a little irritated today. I cannot even lie. I'm very tired of this shit, very tired of the prop firms. And, it's forcing me to have to make content. And obviously, I do not want to be fucking making content. So I am very teed the fuck off. And just wanted to come in here and show the trades and just show a day in the life. So, anywho, I'm going to bring up the bot real quick. And so, as you can see on the bot, now we are $4,000 or about $5,000 down. Whereas this morning it was literally up 3,000, so I should have just gone ahead and closed. My hope is that since we do have price with the RSI below this 10 level, that we'll be looking for a push up, but at this point we may be taken out for a loss, which would be annoying, as I've said a couple of times. So, and then down here on the RSI 7-day RSI, we are here at this 25 level, but for whatever reason, we're having a significant push down, and it's just a little weird, because I'm almost positive. I mean, I don't see any news on. Actually, am I where I need to be? Yeah, here we are. So, core consumer price index is scheduled for tomorrow, and I guess I can go ahead and look at the dollar index, because it's like, this is pretty insane. I guess in regards to the bot, if I had held this trade, for the futures trade, that would have been like an amazing trade. which is what I marked up last night. But overall for the bot, it's just kind of like, damn. So yeah, we have the dollar index pushing into this zone here. It's just absolutely kind of insane, but it is what it is. And so we'll see if maybe it'll push back down and maybe I can close for, like a break even or something when it comes to the bot, because it's messing up my little tiny account. So again, probably should have taken profit at 10 pips with this bot play. So I'll have to make an adjustment because if you can see, we got in over here on the 30th of June, and it looks like we're going to be taken out. So unnecessary, annoying, insane. Had this consolidation, and yeah, we've just been falling on off. So anywho, those were the trades that I wanted to go over. Let me see here if we've hit our Fibonacci's. And yeah, so this is kind of what I was looking for too. This is the chart that has my full markups on it. So we came up here. This is what I marked up last night. We had the 1 hour trend line. We had a break of that. We had a retest of here on this 3 hour trend line. We had a 1 hour break of structure. So again, this whole entire trade was just absolutely beautiful. Looks like we have now broken through. I believe this is the day trend line. So yeah, it's just not really looking too good for my bot play. And then we also have these Fibonacci levels that could potentially be hit. So anywho, I may be having to switch the bot over to sell positions for the next couple, and maybe try to catch, the price of the euro continuing to go down. But also we are very oversold, so maybe we'll get a push back up to, potentially retrace. And again, at that point I could close it at break even. So we'll see. I'm not going to move this. I'm going to just leave it. This is a demo account, so I'm not really too concerned. However, on my other account, I am, my personal little tiny account, I am kind of like a little irritated, but it's all okay. That is all for this video. Hope it was helpful, and I'll be back in the next one. Bye-bye.